I'm Kimmy from Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden, and today I'm trying to move my gooseberry bushes. It's like early March now, so I'm running out of time. I've slowly been moving perennial fruit stuff to my new allotment next door. And I've moved rhubarb, raspberries, tayberry. The next ones is I definitely want to move is gooseberries because they're right next to my greenhouse. I'll show you them. You want to go home, don't you? In a minute. Anyway, I've started cutting a little bit. It's got a bramble right in. That's bramble. This is the smaller one of the two. That's the big one. I'm going to try and get at least one done today. It's going to go in the back of that chicken run. I'm using scissors as a pointer. This is what I've got up to. I've cut a load of it back, but I know how quick it grows. It's massive, that one. I'm going to try and dig it out now. Casper, out you get, because it's might be spiky there still. Got one of the gooseberries out. The smaller one. You can see, this is an actual gooseberry plant. And it's over there for now. And it needs to be over there. We need to do this before 5 o'clock, don't we? And cut to bits everywhere. Okay, let's do this. That's one planted in the messy chicken run. It's got loads of nettles around it. And because it's got loads of nettles around it, it won't grow well, so I'll have to put some plastic and that around it, or cardboard. Oh good, Cass, we're careful. It's like a temporary chicken run, the chickens aren't in there yet. So, when they do go in there, don't think they're going to hurt a gooseberry bush. And when I want to harvest it, I can just somehow put a net over it all. And if the chicken run ends up having a net over the top as well, it'll stop the birds from pinching all my fruit, because there's other fruit in there as well. So I'm just going to water that, pack up and go home, I think. I can do that one another day. Raspberry plant. I have to plant that props. I'm not going to. Are you being good, Cass? I didn't film this because I just wanted to get it done for the fire that we're having next week. Anyway, cut that down absolutely loads. There's a little gooseberry bush here. There's a gooseberry bush there. I think that's a bramble. I think that's a tayberry, but I'm not sure, but I might keep it there. I'm still deciding. But I'm pretty sure it's a tayberry. Oh, and there's a gooseberry bush here too. Right where my greenhouse path is. So I moved them there when we moved allotments and I didn't have much space and they were tiny when I got them. They were little cuttings from my dad's gooseberry. But yeah, they grew massive over the last, I think it was 2018 I got it. So they are now having a fresh start with a big cutback in the new allotment, but I'm not moving that today because I need to get back soon. We've got all that to burn. Gooseberry cuttings from a few weeks ago. And I've got the hose pipe ready to connect if I need it. And I got my burning permit. Ooh. And that's why I need your hose pipe. Just got the wet wood on the outside to dry while I'm burning the other stuff. Hi, this is quite a bit after. We're in April 1st now. I've just been too busy sowing seeds and concentrating on the new allotment. But that's what it looks like now. We've still got one gooseberry bush because I chopped it down. I burnt it all in that fire that I had. I'll show you anyway what it looks like. So I chopped it down. I haven't dug it out yet. I'm still going to dig out because I don't want it there. There's like little ones spotted about. I still don't know what to do with this area yet. And I'll show you my daffodils. And there's all my onions, got leeks, got kale and Brussels sprouts and things. Actually, I think I've got cabbages. Cabbages, yeah. Look at the size of these lettuce, by the way. So I'm going to end this video here because I've got lots to show on the new allotment. If you like this video, please like, follow the journey, follow the new allotment. I've just made a new path. It's a little spoiler for whenever I get to make the other video. Anyway, I just felt I needed to end this video so I can get it uploaded. Thanks for watching. Bye! I'm on here. Weird. Don't lose me. Hello.